Good afternoon, I'm Phil, and the gorgeous lady driving is Lee. Today we're on our first trip this year, and we're heading to Pinecones in Dersingham, Norfolk. We were there 11 months ago, and we thoroughly enjoyed it there. They have a new clubhouse, so we're looking forward to trying that as well, and it has great walks for the dogs. So we'll film the entrance shortly. This is Ben's Bar and Cinema. It's only just recently opened on Pinecones. At the moment, it's being winter. It's only open 9:30 in the morning till 1 p.m. Monday to Thursday, and then morning and evening Friday and Saturday, closed on Sunday. So let's go and have a look. Oh, very nice. We're going to order a drink. So speak to you in a moment. We will show you around the rest of Pinecones. The reason I'm outside filming, we are building up our energy by having a pint before we show you around. But there's music playing, and obviously we don't want to get hit by YouTube for copyright, etc. So we have got both Louis and Tia in with us. Anyway, we will show you around Pinecones very soon. So this is the entrance to Pinecones Caravan and Camping. So we'll start to walk into Pinecones. And in front of us is the reception area, and Sarah, she mainly deals with that. Martin, the owner, is absolutely amazing. We so recommend this place. It's absolutely brilliant. We have a play area for the children. On the pitches you have water, electric, absolutely everything. So that's really good. And as I start to walk into the main campsite area, we will come to the toilets, showers. I can only show you quickly because they do have piped radio music in there, which is good, but of course I don't want to get copyrighted at all. So let me see if I can open one of these. Oh, that one's closed. This one's vacant. Absolutely spotless clean. Lovely. So it's full electric. Some have these amazing seating areas. which is really, really good. Carry on walking round. So we spoke to Martin, and he told us that New Year, it's going to be fully open. They're looking at doing either barbecue or sit down. They haven't decided yet, and we have already booked for this. So I'm going to carry on walking round. It's a very, very peaceful site. Highly, highly recommend it. In reception they do have the essentials, so you'll be very well looked after. I'm going to show you our pitch, which is pitch 8. And there's Louis. He's always very nosy. Hi Louis.
He's been really naughty.
He's been naughty?
Yes, because someone just walked past my dog and he was going mad.
Oh, Lulu.
I'll take him out.
Right, I'm going to just walk round. So we have electric on our site. Also water, which is absolutely brilliant, and also drainage as well. Excellent. So now I'm going to walk round to the kissing gate, and it's a great place to take your dog for a walk or a run. So let's come round here. The sun is actually out, so we've had sun, rain and back to sun again. But we do absolutely love this site. It is nice and peaceful, and also it's absolutely brilliant for meeting new people. So I'm coming through the gate. If you go to your left, you cross over the road, there's another footpath, and that leads into Dersingham, and there's a lovely pub called the Feathers Pub, and also there is a fish and chip shop, and honestly totally amazing, and they deliver to Pinecones, so that's absolutely brilliant. And I'm just going to give you a view of where you can walk your dog. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Long walks, easily more than a couple of miles. And our two dogs, Louis and Tia, absolutely love this. So let's go back. As I say, we've booked for New Year's Eve. They're not sure whether they're doing barbecue or a sit-down meal, but they're going to let us know nearer the time. But it is very, very popular. It also has a dog washing area. It has dog bowls dotted around, so they're going to have a good drink. Yeah, overall absolutely a lovely site. We can't recommend it highly enough. We hope you enjoy this video, and if you'd like to like and subscribe. That would be absolutely amazing. We'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.